shoveling today. Ooh.
I don't want you going outside, Daddy.
Well, I got a shovel. I thank you though for your concern.
You're getting snow on your pants. Oh, here goes Daddy. He just waved at us. He just waved at us.
Alright, got my exercise for today. I don't know how long this will hold. It's gonna keep coming down, but it's something. Here's the van, completely covered up. I think if I do a walkabout later today, it'll be really interesting. The whole town is just covered with snow. One of the most challenging parts of a snow day for the kids is getting all the snowsuit supplies together. Multiply all the elements times 7 kids and you've got a day-long project. What I found is separating everybody's stuff into a single plastic bag. It keeps things really organized. Okay. Does everybody have a snow jacket?
What is this thingy?
Okay, an hour later, everybody put up your arms. Wow. Very flexible.
Now y'all over yourself. Looks like Mama's jacket.
Here we go.
Can you put this over my face? Look at the bushes. What? Whoa! Whoa! Alright, I can get up. Help, Daddy! I can't get up. Oh, it's really hard to walk. Over here. I'm just all over. I can't get out. Can you help Audie?
We're back to screen time.
Hold your back.
Another pretty easygoing day. The kids are playing their screens. Alright, as the snow continues to fall outside, it's piling up. Now folks are saying 30 inches maybe?
You still need help with your medley?
Okay, it's time for an unprecedented walkabout in about 30 plus inches of snow. I'm not sure how this is going to work out.
Yay! Daddy is digging up the snow. Go, Daddy, go, Daddy, dig.